If you're a Forex trader and you're still struggling to pass your prop firm challenges, well, in this video, I have a very simple strategy that I believe if you follow through this video to the end and watch each and every bit that I'll be sharing about this strategy, you will start passing your prop firm challenges even from today. I mean, to me, this feels like that strategy that you've always needed, but maybe you had not connected the dots together. So that's exactly what I'm going to be unpacking in this video. And the other beauty about this strategy is the fact that you do not need to go to maybe a big time frame for you to get to know maybe the bias for the day or anything like that. This strategy does not require a big time frame bias. So definitely, even if you're just a beginner or you're already into your trading journey, you'll definitely be able to master this particular strategy. What I call this is the continuation strategy. What basically happens, you're going to be taking your trades in the New York session, and this will be a continuation from what happened in the London session. So it is as simple as that. So without further ado, let's get into the charts. Okay, so here we are on the charts, and I would like to bring some few things to your attention. Number one, this strategy actually works best, in my opinion, it works best on Euro USD, but you can as well go ahead and test it out on other USD pairs. So away from that, you're going to be actually dropping down to the 15-minute time frame. You can see that right here. So away from that, what you need to do, or basically what you're going to be looking out, is the fact that usually the biggest moves start from the London session. So this is where we're going to first look. So when you look at this, this is the London kill zone right here. So you want to actually see an order block form within this time of the kill zone. So that's basically from 2 a.m. up to about 5 a.m. New York time. So basically you want an order block to form within that particular period of time. So then what you actually go ahead and do, you're going to use your fib tool. Remember, this is right before the New York session starts, because we all know that usually the New York session starts at around 8 a.m. So before we actually even get there, if you're actually early on your charts, you can go ahead, get out your fib tool, which mine is right here. So I can go ahead. Now your swing low will be right from the beginning or the high or low of that particular day. So this is my low right here, my swing low. So I'll go ahead and draw it to my swing high right there. So you can see this is my swing high, and then this is my swing low. So with my settings, this is how my fib tool actually looks like. So what am I looking out for? I'm basically looking out for this price to actually come to these discount levels. But for me, what I like to use is this particular level, that's 0.79, because with this strategy, I found out that it actually works best with this level because it will give you a very high risk to reward ratio, which basically is going to enable you recover your losses in case you happen to take any losses along your journey. This is what will help you recover those losses, because we are going to aim for a 1 to 4-5 RR. If you also didn't know, usually when it gets to about 7 a.m, price starts to basically perform or make a pullback down to this level. So at around 8:30, it should be around this level, and then that's when we're going to take our trade. So let me show you this. So if I'm actually to put in maybe a buy limit right here, this 0.79 level, usually what I do, I use a 10 pip stop loss, which is just right there, and then I target a 1 to 4-5 RR. So you can see right there, this is it. So I'll go ahead. So you can see the bias for this particular day. During the London session, the bias was basically bullish. So I'm going to take a buy because I'm expecting price to drop back to this particular level right here, and then it continues going up. So guys, watch what happens. So let's try and put in a buy limit and then let's play price. So let's watch and see what exactly happens. So you can see price is basically performing or forming a pullback. It has entered us in, and guess what? It is actually now running for our take profit. So sometimes you might find yourself actually swinging on some of these trades. You might be able to swing maybe 1 or 2 days, but finally price always hits our TP. So this is one of those things that you can actually go ahead. So boom, you can see right there, it has hit our TP on this next day. We can even go ahead, look at another example right here. So you can see this right here is basically our kill zone. You can see this is from about 2 a.m. up to about 5 a.m. So this is the London kill zone. So basically we can clearly see that during the London kill zone, we had an order block form right within that time period. So this, which actually led to our low for the day, which is right there. So we shall use this as our swing low, and then let's try and play price as we get to that 8 a.m. hour when the New York session actually kicks off. So let's try and use our fib tool and then draw. Let's draw our fib tool. Remember, we're looking to actually take trades at around this level right here. So this is where we're looking to take trades. So same thing, I always use a 10 pip stop loss and then target a 1.45 R. So this is it. This is it right here. So let's see what happens. So as it actually got to about 7 a.m. price started to actually make a pullback so that it gets into our 0.79 level, which is basically real good discount. So this is where I like taking my trade. So you can see right here at about 8:30 New York time, I was entered into this trade. Let's see how it actually goes. So you can see right there. Let's see. So basically price is trying to play. So let's see how this ends. So we're actually into the new day, the next day. So we're actually swinging on this as well. So basically price is trying to shoot for our TP, and on that third day, boom, TP was hit very well, and you have your 1.45 R, which basically will enable you cover up for all your losses that you've basically been maybe making in your previous trades. So this is a great strategy, guys. If you go ahead and implement this particular strategy, you're definitely going to start passing. The other very simple thing that you might do is maybe add this particular indicator. It's called Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. So basically this is what will enable you quickly determine these order blocks if you're unable to maybe find exactly where an order block is. So this indicator will enable you find order blocks much faster. Well, that's the continuation strategy. I believe that if you follow each and every step that I've shared in this particular video and also couple this with good risk management, you will definitely start passing your prop farm challenges. The other thing that I would like to mention to you is the fact that I've found out that with this particular strategy, it actually works best on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So you might want to take your trades on these 2 days. Well, if you found this video very helpful, this is that time when you actually get to give me my flowers. Like the video, subscribe, and also maybe share this video with a friend, because you never know who out there this video might be able to help as well. And for more Forex trading content, check out this video right next up.